today's video, we'll be learning about comparison of fractions. We'll also be discussing about equivalent fractions. Let's say there are two friends, Jim and Tim, and you're going to give them parts of a chocolate. Jim is given 1/5 of the chocolate and Tim is given 1/2 of the same chocolate. In these fractions, the numerators are the same, but the denominators are different. Here, if the denominator is 5, it means the chocolate is divided into 5 equal parts, and hence Jim gets only a small piece. And when the denominator is 2, the chocolate is divided into 2 parts, and hence Tim gets a larger share. So we can say that 1/5 is smaller than 1/2. The important point to be noted here is larger the denominator, smaller is the fraction. Moving on to the next scenario. Here, Jim is given 3/5 of the chocolate and Tim is given 1/5 of the same chocolate. The denominators are same here, but the numerators are different. Since the denominator is 5, it means both the chocolates are divided into 5 pieces, and Jim gets 3 parts, but Tim gets only 1 part. So we can say that 3/5 is larger than 1/5. The takeaway here is, as long as the denominator is the same, if the numerator is large, it's a larger fraction, and a smaller numerator means it's a smaller fraction. Now let's move on to the next scenario. Jim is given 2/3 of a chocolate and Tim is given 7/9 of the same chocolate. Oh, the numerators and denominators of both the fractions are all different. So what do we do now? We will try to make the denominators same. And how do we do that? We know that the denominator represents the number of pieces. So, by making the number of pieces in both the cases same, we can get the same denominator. So, we'll take Jim's chocolate, which had 3 pieces, and divide it to get 9 equal pieces. If you note carefully, the 2/3 of the chocolate has become 6/9. So comparing Jim's 6/9 to Tim's 7/9, we see clearly that 6/9 is smaller than 7/9. Moving on to our last scenario. Let's try to make both Jim and Tim happy this time. But there is a little trick here. We'll give them different fractions of the chocolate, but ending up in equal amount. So, if Jim is given 1/2 of the chocolate and Tim is given 3/6, they both end up getting equal pieces. And when we check this in terms of fractions, the numerator and denominator, if they are multiplied by the same amount, in this case 3, we get fractions that are equal, and these fractions are called as equivalent fractions. Before we close, let us learn another set of equivalent fractions. Say Jim is given 6/9 of the chocolate and Tim is given 2/3. Again, they both get equal pieces. And in terms of fractions, when the numerator and denominator, when divided by the same amount, we again get equivalent fractions. Hope this video has helped you understand equivalent fractions and comparison of fractions. Like, share and subscribe for more fun maths videos. If you want me to make a video on any particular topic, do leave it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.